Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's and Apron. Today I want to do a delicious summertime dessert recipe. Should taste really good. Come on. Here are the ingredients I'll be using, which is strawberries. I'm using the 1/3 less fat than cream cheese. Cream cheese, I'm not even going to, there you go. I'm not even going to try it. I'm not going to butcher that. I also have some of the carb balance soft tortillas, some cinnamon, some of our honey that's made here in town. Let me do this. Not sponsored, obviously, but let me do that in case you're interested in getting some honey from us local folks. Yeah. And I may use this back here. It's a sugar-free caramel sauce, but then again, I may not. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to slice up some strawberries. I'm removing the center, and I'm just going to cut these up into some bite-sized pieces. Good bite-sized pieces. And if you don't have one of the little, I've got one, the little things that pulls that out, but I don't want, I'm trying to get away from dirtying up a whole lot of dishes. So I'm just going to cut it out like that. Cut this down center. And then we'll go at sides. Now you can dice this if you want to. I want some good bites to it. Now, this is low carb, keto friendly, because we're just going to use a small amount of honey. We're not going to use a big bunch of it. And it's okay to do that in case you didn't know. Strawberries are in season. They are not expensive right now. And they're so delicious. And if it's got that, if it looks like it's not ripe there, just cut that off too. No big problem. Alright, I have 3 ounces of the light cream cheese, and I did warm it up in the microwave just about 20 seconds. Now you can set this out and let it come to room temperature, or you can do it like I just did. Either way is fine. Now, I'm going to add a teaspoon of honey to that. Tis the season to lick the spoon. I must be a part Pooh Bear because I love honey. Okay, back to what we were doing. Get out of the honey, right? Okay. Yummy. Alright, just kind of mix this in together real good. I might have a bowl that might be a little too big. I really like the smell of cream cheese, don't you? It smells so good. Okay, now I'm going to start with 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I think that will be more than enough. Now you don't have to use honey, by the way. You do not have to use honey at all. You can use your sweeteners like Swerve or anything like that. I think you could probably even use some brown sweetener, which is always my favorite when it comes to any kind of dessert. Okay, now just a little taste of this to I believe it needs a little more honey. Let me get another spoon out. we're gonna do it like that. And that is like 3/4 of a tablespoon. Maybe it's just because I like honey. Probably. That's the first batch of honey this year that we got from the folks at S&L Farm here in town. And it's such good honey. Okay. Now, strawberries. We're going to put a little bit in at a time. There we go. That should be plenty. Once I add a little more to it. This is 6 strawberries, about pretty good sized strawberries that I sliced up. Remove the stem and the core. And you don't want to set this in the fridge to let it set up, because obviously we melted this for a reason. So don't do that. That honey is so good. I have to put it up. I'm going to get myself in trouble. I'm going to have a honey hangover. So we'll set that over there out of the way. Now I have to get Tom to come in here because there's a plate that I need down and I can't reach it. So hold on. Okay, I did grab a spoon and I've got our wraps here. This is the small ones, by the way, the small wraps. And we're just going to put some in the wrap. Now you can put your cream cheese in here first if you want to. Just smear it out on it, but I think I just want to do it like this. Then we're going to lay it down and wrap it. I'm not baking these or anything. Don't heat them up. I guess if you wanted to, you could pop them in the microwave when you're ready to eat them, but I don't see where it would need it. We're going to put the seam down on the plate. Somebody's going to be lucky on this one. Might be me. Alright. Let's just scoot these down a little bit so we can get them all on the plate. Right. Yeah. You see the inside? Can you see that? Pick this one up. Yummy. All right. Now, you don't have to do this. You can put chocolate on it. Whatever you have on hand. Okay, I'm just going to do a little string of caramel. Again, this is the sugar-free, which is just about empty. I actually sliced up some tomatoes. This is not at all a tomato. Some strawberries to put on the top of our delicious dessert. And I've got a few strawberries over here too left over that I'll just go ahead and put these on there as well. Tuck in a few on the edges. I mean, golly, come on. We don't want to waste any strawberries, do we? No. We don't want to waste anything. I just stuck my arm on that spoon there, or that spatula, I mean. Right. And there we have it. Oops, here's one more. Lay that one on there too. I know you might think that caramel and strawberry doesn't go together, but I assure you it really does. And I think I can convince you by letting you see this. Again, you can put chocolate syrup on the top. I have chocolate syrup too. I may just grab some of that and add to it. You never know. But that's our dessert for today. I don't really know what to call it. I'm sure I'll figure out something. Absolutely delicious. That's what it sounds like to me. And that's definitely how it looks. Absolutely delicious. If you all have not subscribed to my channel, I do hope that you will. Click the subscription button and the notification bell so you know each time I put new content on. If you try this, or if you like my recipe, give me a thumbs up, let me know. Click the thumbs up. If you have a comment, please leave it down below. And it is not even past dinner time. It's not even past lunchtime yet, so I don't think I'm gonna let Tom give this a try. See him in there? You see him right there? He's busy. So, you all take care. And we'll put a little snip in the end here. But I'll see you next time. Bye. Alright, y'all. He decided he didn't want to wait. He wants to go ahead and give it a try. So... Oops, he dropped his strawberry.
I did. That's okay. Oh, wow.
Well, considering he's a strawberry and caramel fiend.
Yeah, boy.
What's your thoughts on it, hon?
I can't wait to finish it later. That's very good. Y'all really gotta try this. We really do.
There we go. From my strawberry caramel connoisseur. See y'all next time, and thanks for watching.